used to me being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where there's no sin allowed. The sin is like a burden and chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name.
All my real life Christians, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christians, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christians, throw your hands up.
Hey my beauties, it is CC, your frugal goddess. I'm coming to you today with a wig review. You guys, I have been trying to review this wig since Mother's Day. Yes, every time I get ready to review it, something happens. I have to go somewhere, I have to do something. I mean, it's just back-to-back stuff. Anywho, let's get on to the wig review. And this wig review comes with a bonus for the 15th person that comments on this video. Okay, the wig I'm reviewing today is, it's a lace front by Outre. It is Shona in a 1B33. It's a high heat resistant fiber, which it actually is, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. Here's a picture of me wearing the wig when I first got it, and it had a really, really bad wig hump, okay? I mean, it was bad, y'all. So I took it out the package and cut the lace off of it on Mother's Day. And as you can see, it has a comb here, a comb here, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. It has about this much lace on the front, and the part is a skin top parting, which I filled in with my bronze marker to make my scalp pop, okay? And so, and it's really not popping the way I want it to, but it is a little bit, y'all can see it popping. That's their skin top parting though. But anywho, and I mean, I go all the way down from the lace to just any little bit of hair that I leave out. And this marker actually matches my scalp color perfectly because it blends really well, as you can see for yourself. Anywho, as I said, the wig had a really, really bad wig hump. And so what I did, I took my Perfecto 2 flat iron, and I actually have it up too high. I'll put it on 300. And I just went through and flat ironed it down as much as I possibly could. I'm going to tell you something else that I did, and y'all going to think I'm crazy. Yes. Y'all are going to think I'm crazy. I will include the link to the Perfecto 2 in the beauty bar down below. Let me show you this real quick. And it goes up to, as you can see, 450 degrees. It is a really, really great flat iron. I use this to flat iron the sides of my hair and sometimes the front, when depending on how much leave out I leave and the texture of the wig. So anywho, I use this, and let me turn it off, to flat iron the top. The other issue I had with Shona was she was tangling really, really bad. And you know what the crazy part is? Usually when you get a wig that tangles really bad, it usually sheds really bad. Well, this one wasn't shedding, but it was tangling really, really bad. So I saw in somebody's video, I do not remember who, that they used this silicone from Home Depot, I want to say. I don't remember. But they explained that it was a lubricating process, this, that, and the other. And so I thought about it. I said, lubricating. What can I try? Because I truly thought I was never going to be able to wear this wig past Mother's Day. Because even fresh out the package, it was tangling, 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 tangling. I said, what the heck, not going to lose anything. So, yes, y'all. I sprayed her down with WD-40. Okay. I got this I was out and about, and I got it at a rummage sale. And I said, So I'm like, I'm going to need it for something. Never thought I would need it for my wig. But anywho, I sprayed the wig down. Now I'm going to tell you, if you're going to spray this on your wig, you need to do it the night before because it has a, I don't know, a mechanical smell. Maybe that could be the right word for it. But it's not a pleasant smell. You don't want to walk around smelling like that all day. And if you do it the night before, the smell will fade and your wig will not tangle as bad. Now, it still tangles a little bit. Plus, I have not brushed it out. Not really good. I brushed it out. When I put it on, I brushed the front out. But I've been wearing her now since I sprayed it with the WD-40 for about, since Mother's Day. Since Mother's Day. I took her off after Mother's Day, went to the rummage sale, matter of fact, that afternoon, saw the WD-40, got it, had it in the house for 2 days, probably Tuesday or Wednesday. I sprayed her down, brushed her out, and I was like, oh, okay. And so I've been wearing her off and on. Let me back up and show you her length is like right at the top of my boobs. In the back, she comes to right here. Can you guys see that? Right here on me. This is what the back looks like. This is this side, and this is the other side. And so this is Shona. Okay. As far as the bonus, okay, as you guys know, I've done 2 videos from wigs I ordered from GoBeautyNY.com. So when you order a wig from them, and it does not matter how much you pay for it, and you do a review on it, okay, you can review it on Facebook, you can review it on, you just write the review, okay, let me say that. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know why my camera's tripping like that, but anyway, the 15th person that comments on this video will receive a 40% off code for Go Beauty New York. Once you make your purchase, you can go on there, and for every wig you purchase that you review, you will receive a 40% off code. Okay, so with that, I want you guys to have a beautiful, blessed day. I want you to remember to tell somebody you love them. Please don't wait too late. And remember to be your own kind of beautiful. Later.